Hand sanitizer is in high demand for the fight against COVID-19. And you're seeing a lot of it from companies who usually produce other things. This is Heroes Hand Sanitizer from Gold Eagle Company. We're able to make it because the World Health Organization publicly shared approved formulas, and the U.S. Food and Drug Administration released guidelines to distribute it. Heroes follows those regulations to the letter of the law, but not everyone is doing the same. If you're going to purchase hand sanitizer or hand rub, make sure to check for the following. 1. Required ingredients. The main ingredient is either 75% isopropyl alcohol or 80% ethanol, plus hydrogen peroxide. 2. Labeling. The main ingredient identified on the front and drug facts posted on the back. 3. Production date. The shelf life of Heroes Hand Sanitizer is 2 years in unopened containers, 90 days once opened. Since it's required in the WHO formulas, a production date is needed. Heroes Hand Sanitizer is 100% in compliance with both the WHO and FDA guidelines. If you buy hand sanitizer that does not have the alcohol, glycerin, and hydrogen peroxide with date, then it is non-compliant with WHO guidelines. Don't roll the dice. Choose a product you can trust. For more information, visit www.heroeshandsanitizing.rub.com.